Alright, so, my there, New Rules 2022, and look who come back up backstage. Valdomore, what go on?
Man, you know, wicked man, New Rules, oh, you know, 2022? 2022, New Rules, you know where it go, big up yourself.
Favorite Alkaline song while you're there?
Mirage.
Wait, hold on, I just say a brother right there so a while ago where I can't go anywhere without seeing this brother's face, because if you're in Jamaica right now and you don't know who this youth is, like, if you don't know the face, you know the voice. Come in, Deno. Jesus Christ, watch your Deno. Start treatment, you know. Deno, don't do that. Don't do that. What go on? Okay, so, go to what Valdomore gone? Yeah. So, what brings you out here tonight?
I'm happy there, so. Yeah. Because last time, out the door, I listen to Alkaline and sing. So now we're up on the stage. Indian believe. Yeah. You see me?
Yeah.
So that we believe.
Tell them so we're proud of my friend just go mash up the stage a while ago. I want them to know that the community just know the online with full of talent.
Everywhere.
Right.
So we have to say to the people them know that probably just look on from the outside and I wonder like what go on with the YouTubers and the social media influencers that pursue music. Like what you have to say to those people? Because I'm sure it must difficult you are trying to prove to them say you actually do care and passionate about the music too.
You know, a natural. I don't really say we just a try. We've been a do it from school days. Yeah. We are not decks and freestyle. So it start from this about comedy was a passion. I like to be, you know, make people happy. So I do that. I still have the music in me. So I just give them both. And I have to accept it. Because I'm crazy with him. And in him believe. Yeah, believe kills and believe cure.
Alright, Valdomore, I forgot to ask a question here now because the two are a big star right now. Because not just pass regular, we're not a regular content creator right now. And I love that you constantly collaborate. But when you ever like, you know, like book up a crew of ladies and them just decide to say, are the two out of them what? Like I don't have to kind of pick out of the crew like oh get a moment like that ever happen yet? You step somewhere in the crew like every day. What is the game plan?
Share that.
Yeah, nothing wrong with me and my friend share. Right, that's right there.
Say now bad man your friend if your friend running in by, eh?
No, that not in our blood.
Remember she like
you see me? She like we, so they have to work with where we are work with. Yeah. That is it.
Alright, so before you leave now, like how the career going? How the career going and feel good at the progress?
Yeah, I want to tell you say great, you know, because you two we take it from social media on a different level. Yo, mind feel like me big up yourself. So, yeah, it's great so far, the journey good. I don't know the sponsorship them are forwarding to and the work are forwarding and we are taking it on a corporate level right now. Right this.
And speaking of corporate, Mr. say you have big national commercial over the place and the whole of Jamaica must annoy your voice now, but I'm sure it put a food in your pocket.
Flow yard and road, get it now. Yeah.
Alright, so last thing, Deno. Which money are the better money right now? The flow money, the music money, or the content creator money? Which one are the nicest one right now?
All of them. All of them.
Oh, all right, bless up, big up. Yeah, man. Yeah. Bless.